काणकोणचो आदलो आमदार इजिदोर फर्नांडिसाच्या चल्याक लिस्बनान मरण आयलें. काळजाच्या आताकान ताका मरण आयिल्ल्याचें कळटा. वयाच्या 14 वर्सां सावन तो पोर्तुगालाकूच आशिल्लो. गोंयचो फामाद कूक म्हणून ताणें थंय नामना जोडिल्ली. ताणें लिस्बनान आपलें एक रेस्टॉरंट लेगीत उक्तें केल्लें. तो सदांच दुसऱ्यांक आधार करतालो. गोंयांतल्या लोकांक विदेशाक वचपाक पासपोर्टा खातीर तो आधार करतालो अशें सांगीत बापूय इजिदोर फर्नांडिसान आपलें दुख्ख उक्तायलें.
All over Goa to travel to London, because at that time everybody was to go to Portugal to obtain passports of English, and that is the time he was helping them. He has helped many boys, many youths to stay with him, do their things and then send them to London. So I am very grateful because he has helped many people who were in need. So indirectly it shows the qualities of his father, who always helps people. So that's why I'm happy. Whatever short life which he got, he made use of it to the best of his ability to serve people, to serve his family at home. And whatever God's given plan was given to him, he obeyed it.